Welcome to Curious Thoughts, and today's video's topic is what are matter, antimatter, and dark matter. Starting with matter. Matter is anything that has inertia and occupies space. It is in you, me, and nearly everything that we can observe on the whole earth. According to modern physics, matter consists of various types of particles, each with mass and size. The most familiar examples of material particles are the electron, the proton, and the neutron. Combination of these particles form atoms. There are more than 100 combination of atoms forms a molecule. Atoms or molecules can join together to form a compound. Matter can exist in several states, also called phases. The three most common states are known as solid, liquid, and steam or gas. Less familiar states of matter include plasma, foam, and Bose-Einstein condensate. These three states occur under special conditions. Different kinds of matter can combine to form substances that may not resemble any of the original ingredients. For example, hydrogen, a gaseous element, and oxygen, another gaseous element, combine to form water, a liquid compound, at room temperature. The process of such combination is called a chemical reaction. Antimatter. Antimatter is any substance that, when combined with an equal amount of matter, results in the complete and direct conversion of all substances to energy. Antimatter is composed of antiparticles. Each particle of matter has a corresponding antiparticle of antimatter. The antiparticle of an electron is known as a positron. It has the same mass as an electron but opposite electric charge. The antiparticle of the proton is called an antiproton. It has the same mass as a proton but opposite charge. The antiparticle of the neutron is an antineutron. It has the same mass as a neutron and, like the neutron, has no electric charge. Antiparticles have been found in cosmic rays. An antiparticle never lasts for very long because shortly after it forms, it encounters with one of its equivalent matter particles and both are annihilated, yielding pure energy. Artificially produced antimatter has practical application, especially in medical science, especially in PET, positron emission tomography. Roughly 80% of the mass of the universe is made up of material that we cannot directly observe, known as dark matter. This bizarre ingredient does not emit light or energy. If it does not emit light or energy, why do scientists think it dominates? The familiar matter of the universe, known as baryonic matter, is composed of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Dark matter may be made of non-baryonic matter, which have 10 to 100 times the mass of a proton. But their weak interaction with normal matter make them difficult to detect. If we can't see dark matter, how do scientists know it exists? Scientists calculate the mass of large objects in the space by studying their motion. Astronomers examining spiral galaxies in 1950s expected to see material in the center moving faster than the material on the outer edges. But they found the stars in the both location travel at the same speed and velocity. It means a spiral galaxy is less like a spiral, more like a wheel. So, what is filling the space which we can't see? The answer is dark matter, which we can't see. Mass of stars is not enough for holding a galaxy. There must be more mass, which is filled by dark matter. It turns out that roughly 5% is energy, which means atoms, 27% dark matter, and with a majority of 68% dark energy to hold the universe. Thanks for watching. Sayonara.